Most people get this wrong when they look at apps like Playtime. They see screenshots of earnings and instantly assume it's easy money. But here's the truth no one tells you. Payment proof alone does not always mean a platform is reliable long-term. In this video, you will learn whether the Playtime app in 2026 is actually real or fake, how the payment system really works, and what you must check before you waste time grinding for rewards that may never arrive. Let's get straight into it. Playtime app is a mobile rewards platform where you earn by playing games. It tracks your gameplay time and gives you points based on engagement. Those points can then be converted into gift cards or sometimes cash through supported payout methods like PayPal or partner wallets. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app itself is not a scam in the traditional sense. Many users do receive small payments. But the real question is whether it is consistent and worth your time in 2026. Here's the problem most users face. Earnings are very low compared to the time spent. For example, someone like Jake might play for 2 hours and only earn a few cents or a small reward boost. That means your effective hourly rate is extremely low, unless you get high-paying offers, which are not guaranteed. Another key point is availability. Offers inside the app depend on your region, device, and advertiser demand. So two users, like Alex in the US and John in another region, may see completely different earning opportunities. This creates confusion and leads many people to think the app is fake, when in reality, it is just inconsistent. Now let's talk about payment proof. Yes, there are users who show successful withdrawals. But here's what you need to understand. Payment proof only confirms that the system pays under certain conditions, not that it is a stable income source. Most payouts are small and take time to accumulate. So is Playtime app real or fake in 2026? The honest answer is that it is real, in terms of payouts, but not reliable as a steady earning method. It works more like a casual reward app rather than a serious income platform. If you decide to use it, the smart approach is to treat it as entertainment with small perks, not a job replacement. And always avoid spending extra money just to try to unlock higher earnings. To wrap it up, Playtime app does pay some users, but the earnings are low, inconsistent, and heavily dependent on offers. Now you know exactly how it works behind the scenes, so you can decide if your time is really worth it. If this breakdown helped you understand the truth, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest app reviews like this.